after you.
Daddy help you?
They don't look like the same in the movie because she has a flower.
There we go.
Rosie,
Oh, good.
this is from Piper.
Want me to help you guys?
Oh, she's good. Oh, maybe not.
Wow! It's a
You can't even see what it is yet. Look, Rosie.
Wow! Oh, no.
Oh, wow. Look at that, Rosie.
Quick, Dad, open it.
Do you want me to open it for you?
What do you say to Piper, Rowan?
What do you say to Pipes?
Please.
You say thank you.
Thank you. Look what I got. Wow! People!
Yeah, Tinkerbell's friends.
Look. Oh, people! Look, leopard.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at her, Rosie. That'll undo the thousands of things that they tie them up with.
Piper picked that out just for you. Isn't she lovely?
And we can share it.
Oh, look, she's got a crown.
I can put it on for you every day, Boris.
How old are you, Rowan?
Goose.
Yeah, Deuce.
Then you can
Yeah,
rip
Daddy.
the floor. Baby.
Oh, baby.
I think she likes it, Piper.
Okay, one thing is that it's tied around.